Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix the PUBG detected error issue. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the control panel from here. After that you have to click on the network and sharing option from here, then you have to click on the change adapter settings, then you have to click on the Wi-Fi that you are currently using, then right click on it, then you have to click on the properties, then you have to click on the internet protocol version 4. You have to just simply uncheck it, then you have to click on OK. After that you have to click on the properties again, then you have to again make it checked, then you have to click on OK. After that it will most likely to get fixed, but if it don't get fixed, then you have to click on the properties again, then you have to click on the internet protocol, then you have to click on the properties. After that you have to choose the use the following DNS server address, and here you have to type 8 space 8 space 8, and here in the below you have to type for the 8 space 8 space 4 space 4. After that you have to simply click on OK, and it will most likely to get fixed. And then what you need to do is when it is get fixed, then you have to click on the start button option from here, then here you have to make sure that you are searching for the cmd, the cmd command prompt, so you have to just simply click on it. Then here you have to search for you have to type the ip space config and slash flash DNS, and after that you have to simply click on enter. And then again what you need to do is after that you have to type again the nash NTSH space winsock, and then you have to type on the reset. After that you have to click on enter, and after that the command prompt will simply solve your problem. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.